Hi everyone, it's Ian, and today we're going to look at using the DATEADD function to add and subtract days from a date in SQL. So we're going to start out by saying select, and we're going to work with the shipped date today, going on the hypothetical assumption that you actually failed to ship something on the day that you said you had shipped it, and let's just say you shipped it 3 days later because you're a horrible person. I'm sure anyone who has dealt with eBay has experience with this happening. But anyway, so we're going to select, so we're going to display the original shipped date. I'm going to rename that original shipped date, and then we're gonna calculate the date that you actually shipped it. So we're gonna use DATEADD open paren. The first thing is a format marker that the DATEADD function uses to determine what exactly you are adding to the date. There are a lot of different values you can put in here, and those are all over the place on the internet. Just look them up. So today we're going to be concerned with the day. So I'm going to use DD there. We originally said we shipped it 3 days late. So I'm going to put a 3 in there for the 3 days late. And then the column that we're pulling this from, which is ship date, as actual shipped date. Where, and I'm just going to arbitrarily specify an order ID, and we'll do 29. So if I run this, invalid column order ID. Yes, select always needs from, right? So we need to put from orders. And we'll just put this on the next line where order ID equals 29. So let's go ahead and execute that. You'll notice that the original ship date says November 11th, but the actual ship date, which is what we calculated up here with DATEADD, is now November 14th. So our little misdeed here has been accounted for. Now, say hypothetically that you shipped something early and, I don't know, you just got the date wrong when you entered the shipped date. You can also subtract, and no, there isn't a function called date subtract. All you do is you add a negative number. So in this case, we'll say we shipped it 3 days early. So I can just go up here to the 3 and drop in minus sign for negative, and if we run this again, we'll notice that the original ship date is still November 11th, but the actual ship date has changed to November 8th. So there you have it. That's a little introduction to the DATEADD function in SQL. I hope you enjoyed. This is the last C1B1T1 for the semester, so I hope you've enjoyed these videos. Feel free to leave any comments on the forum. Thank you very much.